Hi everybody, this is Artist King welcoming you back to another one of my videos. I think I've kind of fallen in love with this collage art. I think I'm getting a hang of it. So today I'm going to do another one for you. I found these hands in a magazine, and as you can see I cut them out because I thought it would be interesting to do something with them. And then I had this awesome background that I thought would go really good with those hands. So I'm just gonna I prepared it, as you can see here. I used some matte medium. I thought that did a better job than the glue that I used. I believe the last few times. I think it's not as sticky and it doesn't stay as wet. It doesn't take as long to dry. So I think that's the reason why I decided I was going to use that instead of the glue that I was using. So here I am, I'm preparing the paper, which these papers I got on sale at Hobby Lobby, which is my go-to place for art supplies, Hobby Lobby and Amazon. I got these, they were on sale for I think 50 cents a page. And they had different sizes, so I thought I bought a bunch of them, but I thought this particular style would go great with something. I always felt I'd find something to use it with. So I'm gonna just attach this to the page. It was not the size of the page that I used, so after I get it done, I guess I'll have to trim off the edges before I put it. I have a little portfolio I've been putting these things in. So I guess that's where they will end up. This one will end up after I cut the edges. So there I am putting some more of the matte medium to make sure it sticks and stays the way it should. You know, sometimes you do this and there's ripples and stuff in the paper. This one, the matte medium, just kind of makes it all, smooths it all out. So I was kind of happy about that. Then I used get some gesso and water because I wanted to kind of tone down the black a little bit, but I still wanted the notes to show up. So I did that, and I wiped off some of the gesso. So when you look at it, you can still see the notes in the background. Okay, so now I'm going to use the matte medium again to apply the hands and the flowers that I showed you in the beginning. So I have the hands, I have the flowers, I have some butterflies that I'm going to use to decorate the whole page. So you just kind of relax and take a look at what I'm doing here. That's my dog in the background, Bella. She's a bit impatient today because she's on punishment for something that she destroyed. So she's not liking that very much. So if you do hear her bark every now and then, she's just trying to get my attention. thought the flowers would put a pop of color onto the page, which now that I'm looking at it, I think it really does bring some color. So I used 3 different color butterflies that I thought would also make a difference with this. To put it onto the hands, so it looks like the butterflies. It gives the illusion of the butterflies just flying around your hands with the flowers. So after this, I pretty much applied. I put some. Yes, I used a stencil to add some texture to the page. I'm starting to really like doing this because I think I finally figured out how to do it without making a mess. So. There I go, putting some texture to it. There you go. Yeah, so now I use some of my ink pads and some of my stamps to put a little bit more color on there. See, so I'm trying to just to put a little more color in the hands. Some watercolor to put some more color, different color watercolor paints to put some more color onto the page. I kind of just watered it down. Just to kind of tone down the color. Excuse my hands during these things because I'm constantly washing my hands while I'm doing this, because there's paint and all kinds of stuff that gets stuck to my hands. So please excuse the ashy looking hands that you constantly see in all of my videos. So anyway, I'm almost done with this. So I want to just thank you once again for watching my videos. Thank you to my new subscribers, and thanks to the people who have been really faithful about looking at these videos. Okay, so I just want to take this time to thank you for watching. Remember, I post every Tuesday and every Saturday, and there's still a little bit more, but I'll see you next time on my next video. Okay, so bye now.